Jai Hind. Hi dear ones, I am Lija, your English teacher. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and having a good time at home. Are you all doing your lessons regularly? Yes, I know that you all are good children and you all have learned the previous lessons also. Okay, in the previous video, you have learned about what all things we found in the garden, like trees, grass, flowers, birds, etc. Isn't it? Yes. So, today we will discuss more about birds. Dear children, do you love birds? Yes, I know that you all love birds. Do you like to listen to their sounds? Yes. As you all know, different birds make different sounds. Can you make the sounds of some birds? Yes, I can hear that you all are making different sounds of birds at your home, isn't it? Yes. Dear children, when you look at birds, what do you think about them? I know that you have a lot of questions like how do birds fly, how do they make nest, how do they talk, etc. Isn't it? Yes. How do birds fly? Birds fly using their wings. How do they make nest? They make nest using sticks, grass, leaves, etc. Isn't it? Then, how do they talk? Before answering this, let me ask you a question. Dear children, how do you communicate with your friends? Okay, what do you mean by communicate? Communicate means sharing your ideas. Communicate means sharing your ideas. So, how do you communicate with your friends? By talking, isn't it? Yes. Like that, birds also have different ways to communicate with each other. What are they? Can you say? They sing, dance, fight each other or talk. They sing, dance, fight each other or talk. You know children, birds also talk about us. What do birds think about us? Do you know what do birds think about us? Do they think people are funny? What do you mean by funny? Funny means interesting. What do you mean by funny? Funny means interesting. So, we are moving on to the poem Bird Talk. So, what is the name of the poem, children? Bird Talk. Isn't it? Bird Talk is written by Eileen Fisher. Who's the poet? Eileen Fisher. The poem Bird Talk is a conversation between two birds sitting in a garden. Bird Talk is a conversation between two birds sitting in a garden. They are talking about us. Us means we people, isn't it? We people. Let's see what they are talking about. Dear children, tell me how many birds are there? Yes, there are two birds and their names are Robin and Jay. Robin is a small brown bird with an orange colored chest. Jay, a noisy, colorful bird. Okay, what are the names of the two birds, dear children? Yes, Robin and Jay. What are the names? Robin and Jay. What are they doing? They are sitting in the garden and talking. They are sitting in the garden and talking. About whom are they talking? About whom are they talking? They are talking about us. They are talking about people. Isn't it? Dear children, read after me. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. So, Dear children, the two birds, what are the names? Robin and Jay, are sitting in the garden and talking about people. So the two birds, Robin and Jay, are sitting in the garden and talking about people. They are saying, see how these people grow, how these people are becoming bigger. What are they saying? They are saying how these people are growing, how these people are becoming bigger. They don't have feathers at all. They don't have feathers at all. So, what are they talking about? What are they talking about, dear children? They are saying that how these people grow, isn't it? They are saying that how these people are becoming bigger. They don't have feathers at all. Understood, everybody? Read after me, dear children. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Okay. They are saying that they don't grow wings. They don't grow wings. They don't have wings. Who don't have wings? People, isn't it? People don't have wings. They don't eat beetles. They don't eat beetles. What do you mean by beetle? What is a beetle? A small insect with hard cover. What is a beetle? A small insect with hard cover. Isn't it? They don't eat beetles. That means people don't eat beetles. And they don't like to sit on wires as we birds do. They are saying that they don't eat beetles and they don't like to sit on wires as we birds do. Can we sit on wires? No. Isn't it, children? We can't. So, the birds are saying that we can eat beetles. We have wings. We can sit on wires, but people can't eat beetles. They don't have wings. They don't like to sit on wires. Understood? So, what are these birds talking? These birds are talking that we can eat beetles. We have wings. We can sit on wires. But these people can't eat beetles. They don't have wings. They don't like to sit on wires. So, the birds Robin and Jay are saying that people are very funny. People are very interesting. And they are different from us. They are telling that people are very funny and they are different from us. Okay. Let's revise the poem. This poem, Bird Talk, is a conversation between two birds, Robin and Jay. These two birds, Robin and Jay, are sitting in the garden and talking about people. Isn't it? They are saying that how these people are growing, how these people are becoming bigger. They don't have feathers at all. Isn't it? They don't grow wings. They don't eat beetles. Isn't it? You all know that what is a beetle? Beetle is a small insect with hard cover. They don't eat beetles. And they are also saying that they don't like to sit on wires. They don't like to sit on wires as we birds do. Understood? Okay. So these birds are saying that we can eat beetles. We have wings. We can sit on wires. But people can't eat beetles. They don't have wings. They don't like to sit on wires. So these birds, Robin and Jay, are saying that these people are funny. These people are funny. Isn't it? Understood, children? Okay, these people are funny. So they are also different from us. Okay. Let us discuss the new words. 1. Beetles. Beetles are insects which live on plants and grass. Next word, funny. Funny is anything which makes us to laugh. Number 3, feathers. Feathers are lightweight growths that cover a bird's body. Next, find out the rhyming words in the poem. You have already studied about rhyming words. Rhyming words are words that have same ending sounds. For example, day, day, grow, know, wings, things, jay, way. Let us comprehend the poem. Name the two birds in the poem. The two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. Number 2. What are the three things that people can't do? Answer is, people can't have feathers and wings, they can't sit on wires, and they can't fly. Number 3. What do birds think of people? Birds think that people are funny. The textual exercises of this lesson is very simple and you can do it all by yourself. I hope you all have enjoyed today's lesson, isn't it? Yes. Thank you, dear children.